morning, guys. We are in Griffin, Georgia. It's Sunday morning, the 10th of September, and we are actually fixing to pull out of our parking space that we park in down here because there is a hurricane coming. Or Hurricane Irma, and we've got large trees all around the RV, and not only that, it's just a mud hole here, so it's muddy. So we're gonna pull out of here and we're gonna go to a safer place in Stockbridge, Georgia today, and we will see you guys over there. This tree is right outside the RV, and then there's several more. I mean, we're really kind of basically in the woods here. So say hello, John.
Hi.
We're leaving the van, but yeah, there's trees all around us. So anyway, that's what our plan is.
Well, we went to church today. We took our RV to Central Baptist Church today in Stockbridge, Georgia, and we had a good service and left service and had to ride back to Griffin with some friends of ours to get one of their cars because our van messed up again. So we're going to park our RV at Central for a few days because this hurricane weather, Hurricane Irma is coming through. So we're going to park a day or two at Central and kind of ride the storm out a little bit. Anyway, Julie is driving. About to run off the road here.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's what we're doing today. So just need to remember to pray for all those people who are in the midst of a storm down towards Florida down there.
And the people up here that don't have a place to go.
Yep, people up here that don't have a place to go.
Yeah.
People up here that have came from down there that need a place to stay. So remember to pray for all those folks.
Look at this, Daddy. Hang on, everybody. Hang on. That ain't illegal. Or was that legal? Was that legal?
Well,
What? That's close. You got so close for. Break in.
yeah, just like you're driving a car.
And then put it in drive.
Okay.
And put it in drive.
And release the emergency brake.
Like that.
Right. Yeah.
And then drive.
Now put it in drive. Let it go in.
Is that it? It's in?
Yep. Now ease forward. Don't hit Cade's car.
Ease forward.
Yep.
Okay, ease.
Ease. Yep. Just a big old car is all it is.
Yeah.
All right. Straight ahead.
No,
Very
straight out toward
well,
that.
I ain't got no
long
shoes on,
car.
so it's hard to push the gas.
All right. Now. Go like you're going toward that white post.
Okay, I needed shoes on for this, didn't I? Now to spin around.
Yep. Now start cutting it. Not too deep. Just keep cutting it. Look around there where you're going there. Look around where you're going. See over there?
Yeah, I see it.
You ain't cutting it.
The door's open.
Oh. Oh. Gosh, that was rough. Oh.
Press the gas with no shoes on.
Okay, that should be okay for a second.
Alright.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
Am I cutting it deep enough?
Yeah. Cutting
Cutting it.
And then straighten it. And then park a little bit.
Where do you want to
it.
go?
Your mirror
She'll let me do it. I want to do it.
That's probably
on up a little bit. Right there.
right there. Need to back up a little bit.
That's good right there.
All right. Then I put it in
Put it in neutral.
neutral first,
Push it.
and
Now
then
pull your
pull
parking brake.
like that.
Yep. Now let go. Once that parking brake out, it's not going anywhere.
I drove the RV. Well, kind of short distance. What is it?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's creeping back up just a little bit.
What do you want me to do?
It's in between. It's almost a half a tank.
Yeah.
So, today we're parking at Central Baptist because there's gonna be a storm. So, yeah. We're parking here and there's pink. The sky and the clouds is pink and blue. Yeah, looks very crispy. Don't it though? This is the calm before the storm, guys. It's the calm before the storm. Yep.